How to not receive the calls without blocking any numbers on your WhatsApp. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So before that, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of WhatsApp on your device. If you have already done so, then you can simply open your WhatsApp and choose the contact that you want to block. So after choosing a contact that you want to block, what you need to do is tap on the very three vertical lines on the top right side. Now just tap on the view security, verify security code, and many things are right here, but you don't want to do that. What you want to do is you just don't want to receive the call from this very person. So just tap on the notification option. And now what you need to do is tap on the mute notifications. So when you tap on mute notifications and then tap on always, then if the person will call you or text you, you won't be seeing that. Just tap on the call option as well. So it's for call and message and everything. You have muted the notification and you won't be able to know if the person has called you or not without blocking them. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.